How to download shows and movies on Netflix. Hello and welcome to the channel everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. First and foremost, launch a Netflix application in your device. Once you are in here, to download any of the shows or the movies, you can select any from the suggested homepage. Or if you have a particular content in your mind, just tap on the search icon at the very top. Now for an example, if you wish to download any of the show or the movie, all you need to do is simply tap on the movie or the show. Here you will find the option of download. All you need to do is simply tap on the download button, after which the content will begin to download. Mind it might take a while depending upon the size of the content as well as your Wi-Fi speed. Once it has been downloaded for your account, you can find it by tapping on My Netflix option. From here, you will find this download icon. You can tap on it. Over here, you will find every shows and movies that you have downloaded so far in your account. And yes, you can enjoy it offline and wherever you want to. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.